Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. For the fifth consecutive day, the US markets close higher with hefty gains. It is happening mainly on the back of consistent weakness in the dollar index. Currently, it is trading at 101.50, 101.55. It was at 102 levels on Thursday. Asian markets are also trading higher, and Singapore Nifty is on the verge of crossing the gains of 100 points. On Thursday, on the day of monthly expiry, we saw a sharp recovery from oversold levels from 15,900, and based on that we are expecting further more upside in the near term. The Nifty and Sensex has formed a long-legged hammer formation which is supporting to the further upside from current levels. For the trend followers, 16,050, 16,000 would act as key support areas. Trading above the levels of 16,000 will help the index to move towards 16,275 or 300, where we are going to see the opening for the market. However, 16,300 for the last 13 days is acting as a big hurdle for the market. If the Nifty stays above the levels of 16,300, then it will be quite easy for the market to cross the level of 16,400, which is the ultimate resistance for the market. And on the dismissal of 16,400, the market may even touch the levels of 16,600. The strategy should be to buy on dips if there is any correction, somewhere close to 16,150, 16,100, with a stop loss around 16,000. As the crude is quoting at 116, 117, we need to be a little bit careful, and that's the reason 16,000 should be the final stop loss for holding any long positions. As the crude is quoting above 116 levels, we are expecting furthermore activity in commodities. We also need to focus on IT companies as they have fallen to their important support areas, and if we are expecting markets to move towards 16,500 or 16,600 in the near term, then we can expect a rally out of technology companies. Nasdaq is also recovering from the lower levels, which is positive for all the IT companies, and that's the reason we need to be more and more focused. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you.